gonna be making a designer Christmas ornament. Well, it's inspired by the Louis Vuitton monogram design. Yep, I'm printing a monogram Louis Vuitton with a logo. I also added some Merry Christmas because why not? Everything, all the elements came together very nicely as a whole on this Christmas tree. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. To the newcomers, welcome. To the old-timers, welcome back. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hi guys, it's not Sunday but I'm back. How are you? I hope you're doing well. It's almost Christmas time, so today we're gonna be doing something related to Christmas. We're gonna be making a designer Christmas ornament. Yay! This designer ornament, I'm so inspired because if you watched my video last Sunday, you know that I got my own Cricut machine now. So this is gonna be my first ever DIY project using a Cricut machine. So are you excited? And guess what? I'm wearing pink. So it's gonna be pinky stuff. So I call it designer inspired because it's inspired by Louis Vuitton. Yep, you heard me right. Well, it's inspired by the Louis Vuitton monogram design. Yep, so that's my inspiration for all the Christmas decor that we're doing today. First off, we need some clear acrylic balls which I bought from AliExpress. So what I'm doing is I have two designs for the balls. The one design is I'm printing a monogram Louis Vuitton with a logo. I printed on my Cricut. Yep, so it's printed in vinyl. It's very easy peasy. It's just printing and putting it in the balls. That's how easy it is. It was my first time using the Cricut machine. Can you believe that? So I made two balls. The other one is the color white monogram and the other one is the pink monogram. Because I like this color because I have a pink tree. I also bought some clear acrylic which is just a flat one. Yep, so I also print the same monogram for this one. Also white and color pink. I added some elements like the LV logo. I also added some Merry Christmas because why not? Because it's Christmas. So I also printed that, and also what I did with the monogram, all those flower design, right? Not the LV. I printed it in a foam board. Yep. So I printed it on my Cricut. It's a very thin craft foam board. So I have a glittery white and the glittery pink. So that's what I do, all the elements from the monogram, printed it on my Cricut, but the problem is I don't have the deep blade, so I only have the normal blade, so I needed to cut it a bit, but I have a very good Cricut scissor for that, and that's what I did. I Cricut scissored all the foam board. And also for the star, I use one of the icons of the monogram because it looks like a star to me and it will complete the look of my tree with all my Louis Vuitton elements. So I also printed a different size. Yeah, so it's much bigger than the normal foam board monogram stuff that I'm printing. So that would be my star for my Christmas tree. Also, we shouldn't forget that I print some purses and the luggage. Yeah, so I tried to find online something that is pink and I printed, and voila, I have some Louis Vuitton luggages and purses in my Christmas tree. And this Christmas tree, actually, I bought it from Lazada. This is a pink, quite small Christmas tree with a pink frog and everything. It's very cute. I love it. It comes with the free LED lights, which is powered by a battery. Amazing. And also it has some free balls and free ribbons, so I only used 3 pink ribbons to add it on my Christmas tree. Oh my god, let's reveal how the Christmas tree look like. So this is my pink Christmas tree, Louis Vuitton monogram inspired. It's cute. It's not that big, I told you. It's just a small tree. Yep. So you can see this is the foam board star that I did from the monogram. Yep. You can see everything. I have the ribbons. I have the luggage here. Everything, all the elements came together very nicely as a whole on this Christmas tree. Very nice. I really love it. I love it. This is my favorite Christmas tree. By the way, I forgot to mention for the balls that I made. So I have the white balls, right? So inside in the center, there's a tool for the white one. So I also DIY that. I sew that. I cut that because it looks so cute inside for the white one. So for the pink balls, what I put inside this one is the pom-poms. Yeah. So I bought some pom-poms from AliExpress and I just put it inside. Yeah. Quite cute, right? Matches my outfit. I'm gonna on the light so you can see it. It's small, but I tell you, it's such an adorable tree. Also, this lighting here, I also DIY it myself. I cut it from the fabric. There you go. There's the lights. Cute. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas, guys. I forgot to mention that I wanted to do this tree. It could have been a Chanel, it could have been a Gucci. But because I have this Louis Vuitton bag, this is the inspiration for the tree. You see that? So that's the monogram. Yeah. So those are the things that I copied online. So I got inspired by this bag to make this Christmas tree. It's a very different shade of pink because obviously this is leather. It's so nice. Cute. So yeah, this is my inspiration. And as I told you earlier, this was my first DIY project from Cricut, and Cricut did not disappoint me. I was a bit ambitious to do this because it took a while to weed out all the details for the Louis Vuitton monogram, but you know, you just need patience and I had the time for that. Yeah, it took me a few days because first time. Yeah, but I'm very, very happy. Don't you find it cute? I think it's so cute, right? I think it's very cute. Look at that. And I keep looking at the tree. If you have any questions, and if you want me to do something DIY for the future, let me know in the comment section below. Please let me know, okay? Because I always reply, guys. So this is it, Pansit. This is the end of the video for my very first DIY from Cricut and my very first Christmas DIY here on YouTube. So I'm gonna be bidding farewell to you guys. See you again in the next video. I'm promising you I have more